Hello, my name is Cheng, and my partners are Jinhong, Xin, and Nayat. Jinhong will analyze the whole example and solve the first question. Xin will respond the second question, and Nayat will do the final conclusion of the whole presentation. In fact, some mathematical knowledge was useful in our daily life. Now we will introduce an interesting mathematical question. Parabola. Parabola is one of the current curve. It is based off the geometry research in our real life. So we have a lot of examples that we need to use the knowledge of a parabola, such as when through the bridge opening, the train past the curve, even Sacramento Arch, which is located in Mississippi Riverside, was parabolic. So today we will give an example about characteristic function, which is belongs to the parabolic equation, and discuss the specific application of the characteristic function in our real life.
Hi, I'm Jinhong Liu. Now let's see the question. There is a parabolic archway in the bridge. The distance between the top of the bridge and water is 3 meters, and the span of the bridge is 6 meters. We suppose O be the original point, and then create a rectangular coordinate system. The first question is find the equation of the parabola. Let's see the whiteboard. According to the question, we can draw a graph like this. We suppose O be the original point, and A is another intercept, and the maximum point is B. Then we got 3 points, 0, 0, 3, 3, and 6, 0. The equation of the parabola is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. We can use the points 0, 0, 6, 0, and 3, 3 to find the equation. We can put 3 points in the equation. First we got c equals 0, and then 0 equals 36a plus 6b. And then the third one is 3 equals 9a plus 3b. We let these two equations be the 1 and 2. Then we multiply 2 by 2 and minus equation 1. Then we got 6 equals 18a plus 6b, which minus 1. Finally, we find a equals minus 1 over 3, b equals 2, and c equals 0. So the equation is y equals minus 1 over 3x squared plus 2x.
Hi, I'm Xin. I will talk about the second question. The second question talks about a boat which carried some planks wants to through the bridge hole. We need to find the highest level that the boat can cross the bridge hole. From the information of the second question, we can know that the width of the boat and the plank are both 2 meters, and the length of the plank is 3 meters. However, we focused on the width of it. So, the length of the plank is not a useful condition. Let the highest place of the plank as CD, and the CD equal to 2 meters. When width equal to 2 meters, we can see that the half of it is 1 meter. Then we can draw a line on this graph. There are points C and D. We can know that the quadratic function always symmetrizes to the line, which is perpendicular to the axis and through the nadir or peak. Therefore, xd minus xb equal to xb minus xc equal to 1 meters. yc equal to yd. Then xd equal to 4 meters, yc equal to 2 meters, and yc/yd are both the highest place that planks can be put. From the answer of question 1, 1x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 over 3 times 2 square plus 2 times 2 equal to 8 over 3. Therefore, the highest place is 8 over 3 meters over the water. That's the end of solving the question. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Naya. According to my partners before, we have already know the steps to figure out the border crossing the bridge hole question by using the quadratic function, which belongs to parabolic equation. However, in our real life, there are many other examples which we are very familiar with. Not only useful for the something across the bridge hole, but also useful for the sports field. Here I have another example which will be very interested by sports fans, especially basketball fans. Let's focus on this graph. We could see that, let's pretend this is the basket and this is where you are standing. If you are shooting at the basket, you'd better measure the distance between the ball in your hand and the basket. Absolutely in a very short time. In that period, actually it is about the parabolic equation. According to the famous ex-NBA player, Derrick Rose, under the normal rules, the movement of the balls actually it follows the parabolic equation. So if the NBA players can measure the distance accurately, the only thing he needs to do is to adjust himself to the right position and then practice more. It will form a muscle memory, which will help him to improve his accuracy. Actually, there are many other examples in our real life, like playing badminton or the cross section of the light. So therefore, the parabolic equation which we are very useful in our real life. Thank you for listening.